Have you ever watched a video and wondered, is that a real person or AI? What if I told you that in less than 30 minutes, you could create your own professional talking AI avatar, even if you've never edited a video before? In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process I use to create realistic AI avatars that can speak any script you write. Let's get started. AI is changing content creation faster than ever. Today, thousands of creators are using AI avatars to make YouTube videos, online courses, business presentations, product promotions, and even social media content. The best part? You don't need an expensive camera, you don't need a fancy microphone, and you don't even need to show your face. All you need is a laptop or smartphone, an internet connection, and a few AI tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your first talking avatar from start to finish. What is a talking AI avatar? Everything starts with a good script. If you don't know what to write, use ChatGPT. Simply type something like, write a beginner-friendly YouTube script about how to save money, or write a motivational speech, or any topic you want. Within seconds, you'll have a professional script ready. Read through it, edit it, make it sound like your own voice. Remember, the better your script, the better your final video. Step 2. Create your avatar. Now it's time for the fun part. Go to HeyGen. You'll see hundreds of realistic AI avatars. Choose one that matches your audience. If you're teaching business, pick a professional-looking avatar. If you're making fun content, choose a more casual avatar. You can even upload your own photo and turn yourself into an AI avatar. That means your digital version can speak for you, even while you're sleeping. Pretty amazing, right? Step 3. Add your AI voice. Now your avatar needs a voice. You have two options. Option 1. Record your own voice. This gives the most personal feel. Option 2. Use AI voice generators like 11 Labs. Simply paste your script. Choose a voice. Click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a natural human-like voice. Many AI voices now sound so realistic that most viewers can't tell the difference. Step 4. Make your avatar talk. Here's where everything comes together. Paste your script into HeyGen, or upload your AI voice. The platform automatically matches the mouth movement with the speech. No manual editing, no complicated animation. Just click Generate, wait a few minutes, and your AI presenter is ready. It's honestly that simple. Step 5. ADD captions, music, and branding. Your video already looks good. Now let's make it look professional. Open Canva. Add your logo. Choose clean fonts. Add captions. Include background music that isn't too loud. You can also insert stock videos, icons, and transitions to keep viewers interested. Remember, people watch longer when videos are visually engaging. Step 6. Export your video. Once everything looks perfect, click Export. Choose 1080p resolution for the best quality. Watch the video once before uploading. Check for mistakes. Make sure the voice matches the lips. If everything looks good, congratulations. You just created your first AI talking avatar video. Beginner tips. Before you start making lots of videos, let me share a few mistakes beginners often make. First, don't use very long sentences. Short sentences sound more natural. Second, don't choose robotic voices. Always pick realistic voices. Third, keep your background clean. Too many effects can distract viewers. And finally, start with the free plans. Only upgrade when you're creating videos regularly. That way you save money while learning. Best AI tools. Here are my favorite AI tools. ChatGPT, perfect for writing scripts. It's fast, simple, and great for brainstorming ideas. HeyGen, one of the easiest platforms for creating realistic AI avatars. It has high-quality avatars and simple editing tools. 11 Labs, probably one of the best AI voice generators available today. Its voices sound incredibly natural. Canva, perfect for adding thumbnails, captions, animations, and branding. The free version is powerful enough for beginners. If you're just starting, these 4 tools are more than enough to create professional videos. Conclusion. Now you know the complete process. Write your script, create your avatar, generate your voice, make your avatar talk, edit your video, and export it. That's it. The more you practice, the faster you'll become. Imagine creating YouTube videos, marketing videos, educational lessons, or even client videos without ever standing in front of a camera. This one skill can open the door to new opportunities and even become a source of income if you stay consistent. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, YouTube growth tips, and online income ideas every week. And in the comments below, tell me, what AI tutorial would you like me to make next? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and let AI do the heavy lifting while your creativity leads the way.